Got a little tang to it. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Olivia Janelle and this is Juice Hungry and Thirsty, where I share all of my favorite recipes. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite game day recipes, whether it's football, basketball, baseball, NASCAR if you're into that, because it's a sport, okay? Whatever it is, I got some recipes for you. Without further ado, let's just get right to it.
First recipe, we're making homemade bean dip in the air fryer. First, cut and slice a sweet or Vidalia onion in half. In a 9x9 inch pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil to the base of your pan. Put in the air fryer roughly 9 to 11 minutes at 370 degrees, depending on your air fryer. Pull the onions back out, add your black beans. While we wait for our bean dip, let's make Pico De Gallo. Thinly slice and chop 1 jalapeno. You'll need 4 aroma tomatoes. Thinly slice and chop those as well. Use the other half of the onion that you used for your bean dip, and cilantro. Take off all of the leaves off of the stem. This will be so much easier for you. Next, we're gonna roll out our lemon and our lime before we cut it. In a large mixing bowl, add your tomatoes, your onion, cilantro, your jalapeno, lime zest, and lemon zest. Then grate a clove of garlic. Next, squeeze your juice of the lemon and lime. Add onion salt, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I use Himalayan salt. Next, you're going to mix everything together and then put into the refrigerator to chill. Next, you're going to smash your beans after you take them out of the air fryer. And then you're going to spread all your beans out like so. You're going to add your favorite cheese. I use Colby Jack. Keep in mind that cheese will not be melted, it will be fried. Add your Pico De Gallo and sour cream to serve. Next, let's make homemade pizza rolls. Half a cup of mozzarella, half a cup of Parmesan, a cup of marinara, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. Add all your ingredients together and thoroughly mix. You'll need some water, wonton. Add water to the basis of the wonton. Add 1 teaspoon of your mixture and then fold on one side, fold on the other, and then seal the edges. Then you're going to take breadcrumbs, olive oil. With a brush, add your olive oil to every single pizza roll and also put it on both sides. Then you're going to put your pizza rolls in the breadcrumbs and onto your air fryer sheet. Put into the air fryer at 370 degrees for 10 minutes and there you are. Serve with marinara. Up next, we are making pigs in a blanket with everything but the bagel seasoning and homemade honey mustard. You'll need Pillsbury Doughboy dough sheet. Roll that out. Slice it up about 1 inch and slice about 1 inch apart. You'll need your little smokies and then just roll them up. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, your everything but the bagel seasoning. Put the butter on top of all of the smokies, add your everything but the bagel seasoning, and then put them in the air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's make homemade honey mustard. Half a cup of mayo, tablespoon of Dijon, tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, a pinch of onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper, 3 tablespoons of honey. In a large mixing bowl, whisk all of these ingredients together. I put the honey at the end. Take out your little weenies and there you have it. Serve. Out of all of these recipes, this one's my favorite. Super delicious. Next, let's make lemon pepper chicken wings. To prepare my wings, I put olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and garlic powder into the air fryer at 375 for 25 minutes. Pull them out and they are golden and crispy. You'll need a half a stick of butter and 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. Then you'll want to toss those like so and serve with ranch. In the next recipe, I'm making my special wing sauce. You're gonna add half a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, half a cup of hot sauce, buffalo, about 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, and a little bit of ginger. And then you're gonna whisk that all together. You're gonna do the same thing that I did in the previous with these wings. Air fryer, 375 for 25 minutes. And then you're just going to dress your wings and toss your wing and serve. These turned out super delicious. Look at that. Oh my goodness! Wow. In my thirsty segment, I'm going to be trying Cigar City Brewing's Margarita Gose. It's a refreshingly tart beer and has an ABV of 4.2%. Ingredients include orange peel, lime, and salt. You definitely will have aromas of ripe limes, lemon zest, Valencia oranges. It's bright, tropical, and refreshing. Strongly recommend. This brewery is found in Tampa, Florida.
Ooh. Got a little tang to it. A little tang, but it's good. It is good.
And the next beer I'm trying is a Funky Buddha Floridian. It is a German-style wheat beer that is full of flavor and light on the palate. This one is served all year round, and it is a Hefeweizen. It has a 5.2% ABV. The flavor profile you will find is banana, citrus, and clove. Super delicious. I strongly recommend coming to the brewery down here in South Florida.
Cheers. I love me some Funky Buddha.
Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something and you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and as always, I will see you in my next video.